friends, this is Rajesh Misra. I'm back again with yet another cool tip. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can limit third-party access to Photos app on your iPhone and iPad running iOS 14. This is a great privacy-centric feature which allows you to safeguard your photos and videos stored on your device. So let's see how it works. Now, before getting started, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. It's pretty easy to limit any app from having access to your entire photos or videos. All you have to do is you just have to choose select more photos in the pop-up and then select only certain images which you want the app to always have access to, instead of letting it to access the entire photo library. iOS 14 allows you to perfectly manage third-party access to your Photos app. All you have to do is launch Settings app, then tap on Privacy, then tap on Photos. Then you have to choose the app which access to Photos app you want to control. And then you have multiple options like selected photos. That means allow the app to have access to only specific images. All photos, that means allow the app to have access to entire photo library. None. It is worth noting that you can also edit selected photos. Simply tap on that and then select or remove photos and then make sure to tap on done to confirm. So that's a pretty quick way you can manage third-party access to Photos app on your iPhone and iPad running iOS 14. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.